In this video, we're going to be making these adorable cow print wax melts using Cocoa Pro, pillar wax, and elderflower and garden mint fragrance oil. This design is perfect if you're looking to create something fun, trendy, and eye-catching for your wax melt collection. So let's get started by melting your wax. Using your preferred melting method, melt 180 grams of Cocoa Pro pillar wax. Be careful not to heat the wax above 80 degrees Celsius, as overheating can affect the quality and performance of the wax. Once fully melted, pour the wax into a heat-proof jug and allow it to cool to its pouring temperature of around 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to add your fragrance oil. Just before the wax reaches pouring temperature, add 20 grams of elderflower and garden mint fragrance oil. Stir thoroughly, ensure the fragrance is evenly distributed throughout the wax. Next, we'll add colour. Pour a small amount of wax into a separate heat-safe bowl and add 2 to 3 black chip dye. Stir until the dye has completely dissolved and the colour is smooth and even. Now for the fun part, creating the cow print design. Using a pipette, carefully add drops of the black wax into the 5-cavity snap bar clamshell. Place the drops randomly to create that classic cow print effect. You can vary the size of the spots to make the pattern look more natural and unique. Then slowly pour the remaining uncoloured wax into the clamshell. As the wax sets, it will cure to a creamy white shade, creating the perfect contrast against the black cow print pattern. Finally, allow your wax melts to fully set. And that's it. Your cow print wax melts are now complete. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more wax melt making inspiration.